Hello everyone, myself Nidhi Joshi, and in today's session I am going to discuss about the NP completeness. So, in my session, first I will be discussing what is definition of P, definition of NP, non-deterministic algorithm, properties of NP complete and NP hard problem. So, let us first see what is the NP completeness. There are two types of the groups in which the problem can be broadly classified. First group is like the problem that can be solved in a polynomial time, or in the second group the problem that can be solved in a non-deterministic polynomial time. So if we the problem which are taking the polynomial time, the examples are searching the list, sorting the list. If you want to search the list, that requires the order of log n time. If you want to sort the list, that requires the order of log n. So if the problem that can be solved in a non-deterministic problem, the example is the knapsack problem, traveling salesman's problem, like this. Now first we'll see what is a decision algorithm. Any problem for which the answer or the solution is either yes or no, that is called the decision problem, and the algorithm for decision is called the decision algorithm. The second one is the optimization algorithm. Here any problem that involves the identification of optimal, that means the minimum or maximum cost, is called the optimization problem, and the algorithm for the optimization problem is called the optimum algorithm. Now we'll see the definition of P. The P stands for the polynomial. The problem that can be solved in a polynomial time, just now I had discussed, that is searching, sorting, all pair shortest path algorithm. And the definition of NP, that means the non-deterministic polynomial time, that is not completed in the solved in a non-deterministic polynomial time. Example: traveling salesman's person, graph coloring, knapsack problem, Hamiltonian circuit problem. Thus, the NP problem that can be further categorized into NP complete and the NP hard problem. So, we have the complexity problem, that is the P problem, and second one is we are having the NP problem, that is the NP problem, and this NP problem is further classified into the NP complete problem and the NP hard problem. That is the NP complete problem and the NP hard problem. That is the NP complete and the NP hard problem. Now let us see a problem D is called NP complete if it belongs to a NP class or to the class NP. Here every problem in NP can also be solved in the polynomial time. If an NP hard problem can be solved in a polynomial time, then all NP complete solution can be solved in the polynomial time, as well as all NP complete problems are NP hard, but all NP hard problems cannot be complete. I will repeat, all NP complete problems are NP hard, but all NP hard problem cannot be NP complete. So we can say it's a subset of NP hard problem. Then the NP class problem are the decision problem that can be solved by the non-deterministic polynomial algorithm. That is the P class algorithm. If you are considering the Kruskal algorithm, here the minimum weight is chosen, that is the minimum weight that we are obtaining, but it should not be the edges should not be adjacent, the circuit should not be formed. So next we are having the example of the NP class. The NP class, if we are talking about the traveling salesman's person, in the traveling salesman's person, what we are having, if we are given a set of the cities and the cost to travel between each pair of vertices, there we have to determine like whether the path that exists between every city or not, and the salesperson has to return to the original city. So such the total traveled cost, the cost travel should be less. So here in this problem is NP problem, as there may exist some path with the shortest distance between the city. So just quickly revise like what is a NP complete problem and what is a NP hard problem. So we'll see in the NP complete problem if we get the solution by applying the certain algorithm, and in the NP hard problem if we get no solution after applying all the algorithm, then we call it the NP hard problem. And here we have seen one thing, all the NP complete problems are NP hard, but all NP hard problem cannot be NP complete problem. So this is the basic difference between these two approach. And the last we are discussing about the deterministic algorithm. An algorithm in which every operation is uniquely defined, is clearly defined, that type of algorithm we call as a deterministic algorithm. And non-deterministic algorithm are those algorithms in which every operations may not have a unique result, rather there can be specified set of possibilities for every operation, then such type of the algorithm is called the non-deterministic algorithm. In a simple word, we can say that the no particularly rule is followed in order to make the guesses. So it is a two-stage algorithm. Like first is the guessing stage, and the second one is the guessing stage, and second one is a verification stage. The guessing stage and second one is a verification stage. So in my session, first I had discussed what is the NP complete problem. After that we have seen we can solve the problem using the polynomial time, using the non-deterministic polynomial time. I had discussed two definitions, what is a decision algorithm and what is an optimization algorithm. After that I had discussed the definition of the polynomial, that P, definition of P. Second one is the definition of NP. P stand for the polynomial and NP stand for the non-deterministic polynomial. And this the complexity problem that is broadly classified into two types. First one is a P problem, second one is a NP problem. And this NP problem is further classified into the NP complete problem and the NP hard problem. And last but not the least, I had discussed the deterministic algorithm. And this deterministic algorithm, it is called the two-stage algorithm, deterministic and the non-deterministic algorithm. And the deterministic algorithm, in the non-deterministic algorithm, it is a two-stage process, and this process involves the guessing stage and the verification stage. So that's all is there in the today's session. In case if you are having any problem, just let me know. Thank you so much.